All right, you ready for our next number? Our next number is the number 2. Now, there's a couple things you need to know about the number 2. The number 2 has 2 things that makes them special. First of all, they have this birthmark right on top of their head here. And it's a family birthmark. Everybody in the family has this birthmark. They also have a magic wand because everybody in the family is also magic. So, what number 2 can do with their magic wand is magically double everything. So, number 2 walks around with their magic wand and bing, 1 becomes 2, and 2 becomes 4, and 4 becomes 8 with the magic doubling wand. Because if I had 4 trays, you seeing how I'm using the same thing here? If you had 4 trays and you had 2 apples on each tray, that means you would have twice as many apples as you have trays, or you would have 2, 4, 6, 8 apples. Okay? So, when we count by 2's, we just chant them. We know how to do that. So, let's do it. We're going to do it 5 times. Ready? Here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. That's the first times. Here's number 2. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Number 3. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Last time. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20. Because remember, 2's are doubling. He's magic. He's got his birthmark, so you know he's part of the family. You'll learn more about that later. And he's got his magic wand. Just count by 2's to find the answer. So, if I have 4 times 2, that means I'm going to count by 2's 4 times. 2, 4, 6, 8. There's my answer, 8. If I have 2 times 7, that means I'm going to count by 2 7 times. 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14. 14's my answer. All right? So when you know how to count by 2's, you can also multiply by 2's and divide, but we'll talk about that later.